Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch security camera systems.
On the left, we have Virtavo Wireless Outdoor, and on the right, we have Blink Outdoor 4 Plus Blink Mini Pan Tilt.
Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to video quality, both cameras deliver stunning visuals, but there's a slight difference.
The Virtavo Wireless Outdoor offers a crystal-clear 1080p Full HD resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured accurately.
Plus, it even has starlight color night vision, so you won't miss a thing, even in low-light conditions. Time is precious, and we want our security cameras up and running in no time.
The Virtavo Wireless Outdoor takes the crown in this category. With its 100% wire-free design, installation is a breeze. In just a few minutes, you'll have it up and running, ready to protect your home. Now let's talk about motion detection and real-time notifications.
Both cameras excel in this area, but with Virtavo Wireless Outdoor, you get advanced PIR detection and AI-powered algorithms.
This means you'll receive instant notifications whenever suspicious motion is detected. You can even customize the detection settings to focus on specific activities like humans, pets, or vehicles.
Last but not least, let's talk about the extra features that make these cameras stand out.
Virtavo Wireless Outdoor comes with a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to have two-way communication through the app. You can even use Alexa for voice control. Plus, it offers secure recording storage options, including an SD card slot and affordable encrypted cloud storage. Both cameras offer exceptional security features, but it ultimately depends on your specific needs. And that concludes our showdown between Virtavo Wireless Outdoor and Blink Outdoor 4 plus Blink Mini Pan Tilt. Both cameras offer exceptional security features, but it ultimately depends on your specific needs.
If you prioritize outstanding video quality and ease of installation, Virtavo Wireless Outdoor is the way to go. On the other hand, if you're looking for comprehensive coverage and enhanced motion detection, Blink Outdoor 4 Plus Blink Mini Pan Tilt won't disappoint.
Remember, always choose the camera that suits your requirements best.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.